I gave myself 1 hour to try AI side hustles, and what happened actually surprised me. Fast Money Marion here, and today I'm testing AI side hustles to see if beginners can really start making money with the AI. In this video, I'll show you the AI side hustles I tested, what I created, what worked, what failed, and which one I would actually try again. Now, let me be clear. This is not a get-rich-quick promise. I'm not saying you'll make money in 1 hour. I'm simply testing what's possible using AI. I started the timer at exactly 1 hour. The goal was simple: use AI to create something that could possibly turn into income. The rules were simple. I could use AI, I could not use paid ads, and every side hustle had to be beginner-friendly. First, I asked AI to give me simple side hustles that someone could start quickly without a big budget. AI gave me a long list, but I picked 3: digital products, AI writing services, and short-form content ideas for businesses. The first side hustle was creating a digital product. This could be a checklist, guide, template, planner, or prompt pack. For this test, I created a simple product called 30 AI Prompts for Small Business Owners. I asked AI to create prompts for social media posts, product descriptions, customer replies, emails, and content ideas. But I didn't just copy and paste. I organized the prompts, made them easier to read, and removed anything that sounded too robotic. This part matters. People don't just pay for information. They pay for information that is organized, clear, and easy to use.
After about 15 minutes, I had a simple digital product that could be listed on Gumroad, Etsy, Payhip, or sold directly.
Here's the truth. Creating the product was easy. Getting traffic and buyers is the hard part.
The second side hustle I tested was AI-assisted writing. This means using AI to help create content for businesses.
I created a simple offer. I will write 5 product descriptions for your online store. Simple offers are easier to sell. Next, I created a sample. I picked a wireless charger and asked AI to write a product description. The first version sounded okay, but too robotic, so I edited it to make it shorter, clearer, and more human. Instead of saying, "This product provides efficient charging capabilities," I changed it to, "Charge your phone faster and keep your desk clean without messy cables." Then I thought about who needs this service. Etsy sellers, Shopify stores, Amazon sellers, and small businesses all need better product descriptions. A simple message could be, "Hey, I noticed your product descriptions are short. I can rewrite one for free as a sample if you're interested." This side hustle can work, but AI does not replace effort. You still need editing, communication, and clients. The third side hustle was creating short-form content ideas for businesses that want to post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reels. For this test, I picked a local gym. The goal was to create 20 video ideas they could use to get more attention online. AI gave me ideas like beginner workout tips, common gym mistakes, quick meal tips, trainer reactions, and transformation stories. To make it more valuable, I added hooks, short scripts, captions, and calls to action. Now, it wasn't just a list, it was a content plan. One idea was, "Stop making this squat mistake." The script explained how to keep your knees in line and avoid bad form. That's simple content a gym could actually use.
By the end of the hour, I had created 3 things: a digital product, a writing service sample, and a short-form content package. So here's my final verdict. Did AI make me rich in 1 hour? No. But did AI help me create real offers faster? Yes. The best side hustle for beginners, in my opinion, is AI-assisted services.
Thanks for watching Fast Money Marion. Remember, AI is just a tool. The money comes when you use that tool to solve real problems. See you in the next video.